Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to review the products received by PrintKk. Yes, one of my favorite POD suppliers. If you are new to print on demand and want to start your POD business, especially if you are looking for a POD supplier that works globally, then this video is for you guys. I will make sure to give honest opinion as much as I can. So let's check out the product quality, printing, and check whether PrintKk is the best supplier out there or not. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the quick look at how everything has arrived. All the items came together in one package. Let's review each product one by one. Our first product is a tote bag starting at $5. Honestly, this one impressed me the most. Because most POD tote bags are basic, thin fabric, no zipper, no structure. But this one genuinely feels like a premium shoulder bag. Here's what stands out. Inner pockets which are perfect for keeping keys and phones. Good and clean stitching. Zipper closure, this is rare in POD, customers will love it. Neat and vibrant printing. The fabric has a stylish look, making it look like a handbag instead of a tote bag. This is honestly a product that can be priced higher because it looks and feels more premium than the typical tote bags which are available on most other POD platforms. Our next product is t-shirt dress. The t-shirt dress I received from PrintKk is such an amazing quality. I have designed this sunflower design for myself, and just look at the print and color of this t-shirt dress. It's so beautiful. The colors came out very bright and vibrant and so clear. No fading, no cracking. The fabric is so soft and comfortable to wear. The size is just perfect. If you are selling clothing in your POD store, this is definitely a strong product option. Great for summers and modest casual wear. Linen wall hanging print is our next product. Now this one is really interesting because not many POD suppliers offer this kind of home decor items. It has a beautiful texture and decorative fringe at the bottom that give it a handcrafted look. Overall, this is a unique product which can make your store stand out. But to be honest, I hope PrintKk introduce a bigger size in the future. One thing I like about PrintKk is the variety. They offer more unique products than the rest of the POD suppliers. Their product and printing quality is good. They are international POD suppliers. Their AI design feature makes product designing easy. Best and helpful support team. They have such unique product that you can make up to $300 per product by selling them at the right price. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I have tried my best to give honest opinion on all the products I have received. And definitely PrintKk is worth checking out. If you want a full tutorial on how to integrate PrintKk with your own store, comment PrintKk and I will bring the next video soon. So, see you all in my next video. Until then, bye. God bless all.